Oh, you have an actual decent TikTok clip. That's
Yeah.
your
Speaking of short videos,
this is your wild card.
you seem so out of it now.
I'm so upset about it all.
You seem defeated.
Yeah, I'm very upset about it.
Well.
I'm very upset about it. No, this is good. This got 40 million views. I guess this deserves 40 million views.
Woman pushes brown bear as it climbs over fence to save her dogs. So this was a TikTok clip, and this woman is a 17-year-old girl who defends her dogs from a pack of bears.
Well, one bear with
mama
her
bear
cubs, yeah.
and the cubs. And just let me play like a short bit.
Does it have music or no?
It has the Oh No song.
Oh, God, of course it does.
Yeah. But I mean,
So bear approaches and is up on a fence line. It does smack the one black dog. I mean, this woman has 78 dogs as well.
yeah, this happened in California at a residence, just like a regular suburb. And the bear was just literally on the fence or a cement wall. And these dogs try to get at it. And it was just like a scramble of 4 or 5 dogs. And the bear took a swipe at one of the dogs. And that's when the girl comes in.
Oh, I thought there was another part where the dog... Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, the cubs go back to the tree.
The cubs, yeah, they run away, but the mama bear's still on the wall. And then this lady just like defends her dog by pushing the bear off the wall onto the other side. And then the bear, I guess, got spooked and just ran away.
It's interesting how the dogs just immediately go into attack mode, even those little ones. Like, it's a bear.
Yeah.
It's little tiny...
Yeah. I mean, this is I'm guessing this is a rare occasion.
Sure.
But just the fact that this video camera just got a perfect shot of everything.
Yeah, you're right. It covered the whole experience. It's a security camera, by the way.
Yeah.
You can see it's in landscape, not portrait. And the individual at the time wasn't thinking about the camera at all.
No.
She must have went in after rescuing the dogs from the bear and then been like, oh, I have a security camera. Let me go check for this amazing clip. I mean, the bear doesn't look like it's trying to damage anything. It looks like it's actually just trying to pass through, which is equally concerning that a bear and 2 cubs have found itself trying to scale this fence here. Like
in the suburbs.
We're in the broad daylight. Where are they trying to go? And likely the bear is just terrified in that situation with the cubs as well.
Yeah.
It didn't look like it was trying to kill the dogs, but I'm sure it would. I mean, it's a bear after all. But big time views, many, many millions of views. But then why doesn't this go on shorts and why isn't that on the... And then anyway.
Yeah.
Ah!